Today I will talk about writing a masterpiece script. The reason why these creators go viral so easy is because of their script writing technique. You might have a brilliant idea in your head, but it's of no use unless you could present it in a compelling manner to keep your viewers hooked. It's not everyone's cup of tea, rather it's an art. This isn't your fault as well, because there are several channels telling you what to present, not how to present it. So, here I am to tell you 5 steps to write the best script. The secret surprise awaits you in the end. I will jolt down the hacks used by the famous Faceless channels. To begin with, the impressive start is excellent packaging. You might overlook this, but it is 70% of your video. Packaging is the queen that can set your kingdom above others. It further has 3 components. The first one is ideation, second one is title, and the third one is thumbnail. An engaging script is never possible without a compelling idea. Your idea is a problem of any of your viewers, so look for that problem. Search the things your audience find difficult, and make it easier using your knowledge. Making a video based on a specific idea or need will be much more fruitful rather than sharing some random stuff with your viewers. But this idea, clips, editing, script are of no use if the viewer does not click your videos. So, here comes the famous saying, what is seen sells. As you can have a look at the best creators like Isaac, Digital Income Project, and several others, what do you see in common? Their thumbnails and titles form a close story, just like Messi and Suarez. The very first thing that appears, you should answer the doubts of the viewers. Your thumbnail and title together should build a curiosity and present your audience with the word they are missing out. I'm not elaborating it much, as it's a complete story in itself. Now, have you ever wondered, why do 90% of viewers drop your video in the beginning? The reason is intro. Now, these are also of 2 kinds. First is 8 to 15 seconds, and second is 22 and 35 seconds. The first intro focuses on putting in front of your viewers the exact answer of what's displayed on your thumbnail and title. It should fulfill and meet the expectations of the click value of your viewers. So here's how it works. For instance, look at the thumbnail of an Isaac video and now listen to his intro.
My Shorts channel has over 20 million views and many viral videos, but my recent shorts aren't really doing well. Most of them stuck after getting that first a few thousand views. Again and again and again, I need to break this cycle. So in this video, I will try to create a short completely from scratch. Get at least 1 million views.
It's building trust, a solution to the problem. These creators build trust with the viewers, providing answers to the doubts they are looking for. What's the viewer's hook? They further explain the content in detail. Did you know the different kind of hooks which could be used in the intro? The first is asking a question, and this works in every niche. Second is starting with a problem and offering a solution. It's most commonly used in education niche. Third and most popular ones, used by famous creators like Ryan and Mr. Beast, is curiosity. It's preferable in entertainment and news. Have you noticed clearly? Isaac's intro is also based on these hooks, but how we use these hooks in our content makes the difference. Be very clear with your intro. Write down the title of your video in the intro, but not very directly. Listen this. Today I will talk about writing a masterpiece script. The reason why these creators go viral so easy is because of their script writing technique. You might have a brilliant idea in your head, but it's of no use. I have put a question in my intro, using why to give a reason to my viewers to stay connected, so that they could also create a masterpiece script like the famous creators. Sometimes I also come across when I'm so full of ideas, and at other times I am totally blank to explain anything. So, to overcome these both situations, we use the Kipling Method. The finest and best of the best storytellers and scriptwriters use this method. This will be explained in the later half. To create the outline of your story, write title at the top first. Suppose I have to make a video on how to make an AI voice, so reflect on what could be my question. I guess the very first things that will come to your mind is, how to make AI voice? How to edit AI voice? Why AI voices don't get monetized? What are the free AI voiceover platforms? These are the outliers. You can draft only if you have good knowledge of your niche, but If you don't have any idea of the topic, you can go to Cloud AI. The benefit is, it's free of cost. You can put prompt in here and combine with your idea to frame an outline. Claude AI is especially designed for script writing. It will provide you with a number of bullet points that you can write and highlight further. You can get this prompt down in the description box. Taking you back to the method I left for the later half, Kipling Method, the famous Kipling Method. It's also known as 5W1H method, where we have who, when, where, why, what, and the last one is how. To test this, you can mention a prompt in Cloud AI like, I'm making a YouTube video on topic XYZ, how applying the 5W1H method to research on this video. It will give you now questions base points, which you can take up to explain further. Every viral video and creator use this Kipling method, put forth a question in the mind of viewer, whose answers are further explained in the video content. Just like I talk about voiceover, the first thing begins with how to make AI voice, followed by why and what. Have a look at this script. How this method is implemented, the majority purpose of your content is connecting. Like the viewer who comes to you is standing at the beginning point A, which is his problem to be solved. His target is a point B, the solution to his doubts, to his problems. Now, the pathway which will connect their point A to point B, their problem to the solution, is the actual content of the creator. Your task is to create that pathway, make them reach their goal. It might seem a bit tricky, but it's quite simple, as you can chalk out your main point first and later explain to the audience. As I prefer writing my script over paper before typing it overboard, you can have a look here. You can also do the same by making several additions as soon as you get any new idea or new question. It will be messy, but trust me, it will make your journey really easier and simple. Here's where you create story of your content. I'm telling you, 3 channels which personally helped me in this journey of script writing. You can always have a look at your competitor channel's scripts and note down their best details. Later, combining them with your original idea, you can shape your content. But don't forget, steal like an artist. I would also like to give you a bonus step here for the ones who continuously struggle to speak up. Again, by searching on your topic, first, accommodate all the required knowledge about your topic, then record you're turning over a phone as you are speaking to your friend. It is the most convenient. This will help you become more sophisticated and learned, and let me tell you, this will work everywhere, irrespective of your niche, be it education, lifestyle, product reviews, or many more. This could also be used in gaming niche. Gaming content is huge, leading audience to their peak, and here's reminder. The Outlier creator is also like a game, hopping from one level to another level, and then you will be able to experience it yourself. By the end of the video, always provide value content to your audience. Here are 2 ways to keep them engaged. Avoid asking for subscribe or like. Rather, put forth a question to the audience, which they can probably get in mind by listening to your video. The another way, you can see in the end, the very first step is going with openly and closely. You might be thinking what I'm talking about, although people have invariable experience of this, as it gets pretty tricky task to understand. This open loop is when you put a question in the beginning and do not provide the instant answer. Rather, it's explained in the end, in the closing loop. Have a look with prevision of how.
Here's the plan. I will try to create a video with AI completely from scratch, upload it to a new channel, and see how many views I can get.
Isaac has used this loop. He couldn't display the video views in the beginning, but he held the audience till last. This is the reason these videos hit the millions mark, and the next tip is explain your content in clusters. Start a conference mark for your audience if necessary, like these videos. Top 7, top 5. So you subconsciously get the idea that the answer to your queries will last till step 5 or step 7 respectively. Give the audience a boost to last till there. So, I have explained you everything in detail now, but don't forget script writing is your own intrinsic art. You can just have idea from other creators, but don't replicate, be original, be wise with your ideas, because you are unique. And if you want to see my journey of how I grow my Faceless channel to a loyal community of 50,000 at the age of 17, so stay connected with me. Now, if you are a master at the art of writing, but you still sound robotic, your audience might find it difficult to get along. That all voice. Your content should be delivered with the emotions. Rather, explosion. To be pro at creating AI voice like me, check out this video where your biggest doubts like monetization of the AI voice, how to make free AI voices, the synthesis of the AI voice will be discussed. Okay then, see you in the next play.